Alright, so today I will be presenting you with this ornate Codep from March of 1987. I believe the model name is Stratoflite, but I cannot confirm that because the integrated light kit is throwing me off. The tulip shades that you currently see on it are not original to the fan. This model is actually supposed to have ribbed glass shades. And it included this dog tag with the Codep brand on it. Not something you see every day. And I'll first show you the light. And here is the fan on low speed. And I actually had to replace the original reverse switch because the old one was malfunctional and interfering with the fan's operation. Medium. High. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.